Okay, so right off the bat there's a leak under the solenoid here. So that's going to make that water bill go up pretty good just this week. As you can see right here, the drip system is now running. So we're going to go ahead and take a walk around the property and see if we've got any other leaks besides that one. Oh, we've got one right here. We've got one right over there. There's another one over here. Get wet when you walk by that one. Oh, 1, 2, 3 right here. That off to the back. So by replacing that cap, we're gonna the meter is gonna drop down pretty good. More over here. See what we got going on in the back. Doesn't look like anything. Nope, that's it. So we've got no irrigation in the backyard. So we have 3 leaks out front and 1 for the solenoid for the irrigation system. So I'm going to recommend replacing 2 caps, 1 here, maybe 1 cap. So 1 cap, we got to cut out the 700, or no, we just got to cut out the drip line here, dig it up a little bit, replace it, cut out the drip line over there, fix that, move this backflow preventer, and this solenoid is completely busted out. I don't know if you can see this over here, but the solenoid is no good. This whole piece right here is going to need to be replaced. So we'll take this out and replace the solenoid. Once that's done, we should be good. Before I shut this off, let's take a look at the meter again, just so you can see how much it's spinning due to the irrigation. So you saw what it was before. It was 0, and you had a meter reading. Now take a look at it. So just in that short period of time, we went from, I don't remember what the number was. I think it was 70 or 71 or 72. But the rotation on that meter is pretty massive. So if you stay right here and watch it, I'm going to go shut off the irrigation. Has the meter stopped?
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's slowed down some. Give it a few minutes for. There we go. So now we know what the problem is. The problem is the irrigation system. This is going to be, we'll be looking at probably 3 hours of labor. Get all this done, everything working properly, landscape put back the way it's supposed to be, and have some happy tenants with some pretty bushes for their irrigation.
Nice.